Google Photos set to offer new Ultra HDR editing feature. In light of a new report surfaced recently, tech giant Google's Google Photos is gearing up to add to the pile of editing options available on it. Citing its contributor Assemble Debug, it's reported that the new feature was found on the latest version 7.0 of Google Photos. The addition of a new feature comes on the heels of the new image flipping button, which Google is set to add it yesterday. Brand new editing feature in Google Photos is called Ultra HDR. It can be accessed from under the Adjust feature within the Google Photos. The new editing tool Ultra HDR appears to be a toned-up version of the existing HDR effect option. As far as the functionality of this feature is concerned, there's no word either from Google or from any other hawk-eyed teardown conductors. However, the feature is expected to let users manage the brightness of Ultra HDR images at a pixel level. Only time will bring to light when Google plans on enabling the feature. If the prediction of the feature's functionalities resembling that of the HDR effect is believed, then the upcoming Ultra HDR editing feature on Google Photos might enhance the dynamic range of photos. Given that, this job would be done by merging multiple exposures to create a more balanced image with brighter highlights and darker shadows to make details more visible.